been with NetSoft for almost a year. And before that, I've been through different IT academies. In my honest opinion, I can say that this has been the best institute that I have ever taken training with. Their teaching style is completely different than other institutes that you go to that I've been through. In a sense that they not only focus on your technical skills, but they will also work on your psychology and just boosting your morals and bringing out the best out of yourself. So to anyone who is willing or looking to join NetSoft, I would advise you to go into or take their workshop, Active Directory workshop program, see how their teaching style is, see if you're comfortable with the environment, and just have fun. And I hope you enjoy your stay at NetSoft here.